Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to get, like, cool shots of lightning. As you can hear, thunder, rain. Rain. Oops, I hit the wind chime. I can feel it. Jeez. Okay, well. It was not raining just a second ago. If you heard the beginning of the video, it was not raining. I don't know how good of quality my phone is going to show up in the video, but let's hope it's good, because it's a bug. Oh no, my phone just got that. Okay, whatever. There's going to be probably 2 videos of me trying to get lightning going up, because, well, I suck at catching vids and stuff. Lightning and all that cool crap. Whoa! I hope my phone just... Okay, thunder gods are not happy with me. I am going to go inside. Yeah.